In this video, I will show you how to weld fillet joint. Materials used: welding rod, blacksmith hammer, bench vise, welding machine, and 2 pieces of metal. First thing to do is partially weld the 2 metals so it will hold each other during welding, just like in the video. After that, weld the first corner and the second corner for the first part of welding. Don't forget to weld the other corner of the metal. After that, you can use blacksmith hammer or a grinder to remove the excess welding rod on the metal. After cleaning it, you can now clearly see the holes. You must block it using welding for its last part of welding. This should be fillet joint, but then the metal we bought has hole in the middle, so we decided to move it a little bit. But the process are still the same. Thank you.